Hello friends, many students have been inquiring about the MCQ practice. Which book should you purchase for MCQ practice at the first year level and later on for the NEET PG entrance preparation? There are lots of books available in the market and many of them are excellent authors, but a book will have certain limited number of MCQs, and its utility also will be for a limited amount of time or limited duration. Uh, how about a mobile application with unlimited MCQs and lots of other features? So here I present to you my mobile application, the Physioworkout. The name Physioworkout indicates that just as we work out on a daily basis for our physical health, this is a workout for your strengthening of the subject. Go to the Play Store or App Store and you can type apps by Dr. Vivek Nargirkar or Physiology apps or Physiology MCQ apps. And this app will show up in top 10 or 15 of the apps. So once you've got the app in front of you, just download, install and log in. Start using it. We are not asking for any permissions whatsoever. Just download, install, log in for the first time and then start using it. Once you open the app, it shows you these sections. So basically the most important part is this is an AI enabled app, and our AI, we are calling it is Physio Sarthi, because this is going to be your Sarthi for first year and later on up to PG entrance exam preparation. So Physio Sarthi, where you can ask, type any question, and in quick time you will get the answer. Apart from that, the exam section, you can create your own exam. Once you've finished reading one topic, just put that topic in the exam section and the AI will create exam for you. In the end of that exam, it will give you your score. Now coming to the main part, which is the MCQ part. This is a daily MCQ section where I post the MCQs daily. So already it has a great question bank ready for you, and on a daily basis the MCQs are being added. The MCQs have same features, like there are options. You click on one option, let's say this one, it tells you whether it is right or wrong, which is the right answer, and it gives you the explanation as to why that answer is right. And it also tells you the percentages, relative percentages of the students which have clicked those particular options. So this is the feature for the daily MCQ. Already a huge question bank has been created here, which includes the previous year questions or NEET PG level questions. So if you want segregated questions, then we have this section called All MCQ. So this will have segregation. At the top you have NEET PG, next USMLE PLAB. You can click that, you get the MCQs which are for those exam preparation. Apart from that, there is topic wise segregation. It will have not only the physiology MCQs per se for first year, but also physio related other subjects like pharmacology, medicine, etc. So these are the features that are there in this particular app, and I leave it to you to explore it further. This is going to be a great app for your great companion for you so far as the MCQ preparation is concerned. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and download, install and use it.